7 trees, Greg.
CQ, 1-4 Division 297. CQ 1-4 Division 297. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA calling CQ.
2 Alpha Whiskey, go ahead.
QSL, you got me a 5x9 signal. 5x9 signal in the state of Tennessee. Operator name is Ken, Kilo Echo November. The numbers are 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, 014, QSL.
Okay, Ken, okay, one moment. Okay, speak slowly. I'm right, your name in my logbook, Ken, Tennessee, and your call sign, Tennessee, and your call sign 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. I'm a Frenchman, and it's very difficult to me to speak English at this speed. It's very speed for me. Okay, Ken, back to you.
QSL, very good. Q5 signal, 5x9, booming audio. You have booming audio, excellent audio here in the state of Tennessee. Great sounding radio though. QSL, back to you.
Okay, Ken, thank you very much for the compliment. And your report signal is 5 and 7, 5 and 8. My location, I'm living in the province of Normandy, northwest part of France. The province of Normandy, average 25 kilometers above the Channel Sea. My small town is near the big town of Rouen, like Romeo Oscar Uniform Echo November. I repeat again, my small town is near the big town of Rouen, like Romeo Oscar Uniform Echo November, at the average 25 kilometers above the Channel Sea. Roger.
QSL 100%, excellent audio, Q5 all the way. Working conditions on this end is a President Jackson radio, export radio with an Antron 99 about 25 feet in the air. I'm located about 20 miles north of Nashville, Music City, USA, Tennessee. Bring back your contact numbers in full so I can write those down there. QSL?
Okay, QSL, Ken, for your okay connection and for your location in Tennessee, no problem at all. Excuse me, my working condition now, I use a Yagi Beam 5 element at 14 meters above the ground. 5 element Yagi Beam, and my transceiver is a Yaesu Fox Tango 1000. It's the last version. It's the field, the Mark 5 field, and the microphone is also Yaesu. It's a mic Delta 200, and I'm running with 500 whiskey to make the contact. Okay, back to you, Ken.
QSL, very good. It's making you a real good trip there. What is your contact number? What is your call sign again so I can log it down there? QSL?
Okay, my full call sign is a 14 Hotel Florida 297. My full call sign 14 Hotel Foxtrot 297, okay?
QSL, very good. Well, thank you so much for the contact. I'm going to step off the side here and let some of these other operators here in the United States get a call on you. Very good signal. It's been a pleasure. You're really booming in here. 5x9, 5x9 all the way, Q5 signal. Top of the day to you, and good luck on your DX. Very strong. Thank you for accepting my call. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA. We thank you, and we'll be QSY on your final, sir.
Okay, Ken, thank you very much for the contact, and I hope to you good DX, and I hope the 7 trees for you and your family. Bye-bye, 7 trees, 2 Alpha Whiskey.